If you want to create additional storage on your PC or laptop, but you have a low-capacity hard drive, don't worry. Today, I'll solve this problem for you. In this video, I'll show you how to create a disk using Google Drive. Make sure to watch until the end. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Drive for Desktop. You'll see this interface. Open the first link. After that, this page will appear. Click on Download for Desktop. You can download this file by following this process, or you can use the link in the description. After that, open Windows Explorer and go to the Downloads tab. Click on the Drive icon, then click on Add an application shortcut to your desktop. After that, click on the Install button. You will see that Google Drive is successfully installed. Click on the Launch button. You will see some icons appear on the desktop. Then open this drive and log into it. The login process is easy. You can do it yourself. After that, open File Explorer. You will see that the drive is successfully created. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content.